Hello everyone, and today it's a bit dark, but anyway, today we're going to be doing a squishies review, and I have 9 squishies that we're going to be showing you. Wait, let me try to fix the darkness. I need to plug it in, guys. If you can hear me, anyway. Right. So I'm gonna play. Hold on, I'm sorry about this. Just need the lights to be on so it'll be less dark. Okay. Did that help at all? No. Anyway, so I'm very sorry that it is dark. And yeah, so I've got nice squishies. Okay, so also I have someone who's helping me today. He's going to be passing me the squishies. Okay. so what squish do you want me to show you first? Okay. So the first one is this one. It's either moldy bread or pineapple. It said on the title of it that it's pineapple, but me and my friends think it's moldy bread. Yeah. So it's basically this. Can't see it very good, and I don't know if I've done this in the last squishy thingy-majiggy, like squishy video, because I done that with Lily, and now I'm doing one with Ayla, my special helper. Okay, so next one. Okay, so this is a popcorn. Wow, this is actually like, it feels weird. It feels like this has been in water, the way it has been in water, but it actually feels like really smooth. Feel that?
Oh yeah, it's so smooth.
Yeah.
Smells good.
And there is a crack in it. Like here. I don't know if you can see that. Like right there. That's because I was picking it. And yeah. Okay, next one. Okay, so this is a pizza. Can you see it? I'm trying to look for a light spot. You can't see it. Okay, like that. So basically just this pizza. Why is it that one spot that only works? But anyway, yeah, this is just pizza. Pepperoni pizza. And yeah, this is a little bit harder than the others. I like the crust is, but then like this bit is just like quite easy to squish, I think. Yeah. Next one. Thank you. Okay, so this is a bread. This is like a real loaf of bread here. So like I pranked my brother that I ate it the other day. He didn't believe me though. And then like here, there's like a crack where like there was a bubble there because like there was like wasn't any like foam in that bit. So I picked it, and then I realised that actually I thought it was like this bubble, but then when I opened it I realised that it wasn't actually a bubble. It was just yeah. And this is actually really good. It's really soft. I use it as a pillow sometimes on my head. Okay, next one. Thank you. Okay, so I showed this in the last squishy video. And
it has a twin.
It has a twin. These two. And in the last thingy, I said that there's a spot. The difference out of this is actually pretty easy. And basically like her name. And I said, and I forgot to say it at the end of the video. And then I said that I would show it in the next video. And if you thought like the next video, like right after that squishy video, I meant like in the next squishy video. So here's the next squishy video. And I'm going to tell you the difference right now. So the difference was that on this cake, the icing is pink. And the like
outline of the cake.
Yeah, like the sponge bit is white, and then on this one the icing is white, and then the spongy bit is like pink.
And also, I just want to add, like this one, if you can tell, it's like a bit fatter.
Yeah,
and like
the
more of
strawberry
that is covered than that. Guys, comment your favourite. My favourite one.
Yeah,
is
comment
this
your
one.
favourite thingy. Okay, so I'm do the next one. Thank you. Okay, this is a milk carton. There's no one there. This is a milk carton. Makes it easier now. And it does have a crack in. That's because my little stepbrother was it in the water, and then I had loads of cracks in it. That has actually happened with all my squishies, apart from the bread and the popcorn. And then there's also the next one coming up. So, yeah. Okay. And then this is, I love this one, but like, it's got a massive crack in. I think, I'm not being rude or anything, but I think it might have been Lily who done that, because last night I stood around her house, and
Last night.
yeah, and she was playing with this, and I had the bread, and she had this one, and it was definitely not like that before, so I think she might have done that. Sorry if you're watching this, Lily, I just think it might be you, because like, you were playing with it. And yeah, but I really like this one, because it's so squishy and so like smooth and everything. Anyway.
I think that's all of them.
Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and end it here. That wasn't right. So yeah, that's the end of the video. I have all my squishies in. Comment down below your favourite squishy.
I'm gonna flip this. Remember, so there's pizza.
Yeah. And this one's actually
Mouldy bread.
Yeah, moldy bread. The bread. The teddy bear.
Popcorn.
Milk bottle, and then the two cakes. Yeah, okay.